Welcome to the Weekly News Tracker, your go-to source for staying informed on the latest real estate happenings around the globe. We've got a sizzling lineup of 6 red-hot headlines to spice up your real estate radar. Let's move on to our first news, which was coming from Anil Gupta. Well-known Polystars chairman Anil Gupta buys 2 apartments worth ₹270 crore in South Mumbai. Anil Gupta has purchased 2 apartments on the higher floor of Lodha Malabar having agreement value each of over ₹135 crore, taking the total to ₹270 crore. Malabar Palaces by Lodha is being constructed on Valkeshwar Road in the Malabar Hill area, considered to be one of the most expensive residential area in the country. The same project was in news for Bajaj Auto chairman Neeraj Bajaj in 2023, who had bought a sea-facing triplex apartment from Macrotech developers in posh Malabar Hill in Mumbai for ₹252.5 crore. The 2 apartments measure above 19,000 square feet of carpet area and come with 15 parking lots. Let's move on to next news. Most expensive deal in Bengaluru. Quess Corp MD Ajit Isaac buys plot for ₹67.5 crore. Ajit Isaac, the managing director of Quess Corp, has secured the most expensive property deal in Bangalore, acquiring a sprawling 10,000 square feet plot in Koramangala 3rd block, popularly known as Billionaire Street, for a staggering ₹67.5 crore. The per square feet price of the deal works out to be around ₹70,300 per square feet, making it the most expensive deal in Bengaluru so far. The Billionaires Street is one of the most sought-after locations as most of the country's successful entrepreneurs reside in this locality. Some of the residents include Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani, Chris Gopal Krishnan, Dr. Devi Shetty of Narayana Health, Flipkart founders Sachin and Binny Bansal. In 2021, Isaac MD of Quess Corp had bought another bungalow spread across 9,507 square feet in the same area for ₹52 crore. Let's move on to next news. Pune real estate market reports 52% jump of property registrations in March. Pune real estate market saw registrations of 21,744 properties in March 2024 against 14,309 a year back. The stamp duty collections in March 2024 also recorded substantial growth to ₹804 crore from ₹621 crore in March 2023. In fiscal year 24, some 146,924 properties were registered in Pune, and the stamp duty collection stood at ₹5,785 crore. In March 2024, apartments ranging from 500 to 800 square feet commanded a significant market share of 40%. Market share of larger apartments, exceeding 1,000 square feet, remained stable at 13% during this period. Let's move on to next news. ED provisionally attaches Raj Kundra's assets worth ₹98 crore in Bitcoin Ponzi scheme case. Raj Kundra is under investigation for money laundering in connection to the alleged ₹6,600 crore Bitcoin-based Ponzi scam involving Variable Tech Private Limited, a Singapore-based firm. Attached properties include a Juhu residential flat owned by Shilpa Shetty, a Pune bungalow, and equity shares owned by Raj Kundra. Variable Tech allegedly collected 80,000 bitcoins from investors, promising high returns, and diverted ₹6,606 crore through 9 firms to purchase properties abroad, per the Enforcement Directorate. Raj Kundra received 285 bitcoins from the mastermind and promoter of the scam, Amit Bharadwaj, for setting up a Bitcoin mining farm in Ukraine. Kundra asserts ownership of 285 bitcoins worth over ₹150 crore, allegedly sourced from Amit Bharadwaj's fraudulent activities. Despite the deal falling through, Kundra retains and benefits from them. Let's move on to next news. Maharera directs L&T to deduct only 2% while terminating booking of NRI homebuyer. UAE-based buyer booked a flat and received an allotment letter in March 2018 in a project known as Emerald Isle located in Powai in Mumbai. The customer had paid Rupee 25 lakh of the total cost of Rupee 2.29 crore. However, L&T later terminated the booking due to non-payment of the balance money. L&T offered Rupee 17 lakh to the home buyer by deducting over Rupee 8 lakh. Maharare in its order directed L&T to not deduct more than 2% of the paid-up amount during termination of the booking. On 8 April, directed Godrej Greenview Housing Private Limited to refund a home buyer who cancelled their Rupee 92 lakh apartment in Godrej Emerald, Thane. The refund deduction was reduced from 5% to 2%. Let's move on to next news. All to 24 flats in Gurugram project sold in 15 minutes for Rupee 440 crore, Ashiana Housing. Ashiana Housing, one of India's leading real estate firms, had launched a project by the name of Ashiana Amrah located at Sector 93 in Gurugram, Haryana. Ashiana Amrah Phase 3 launch started its registration at 11 a.m. and had received 800 checks for 224 units by 11.15. In 15 minutes it was oversubscribed 4 times. Ashiana Housing present in 9 cities in India and has constructed and delivered over 23 million square feet to over 17,000 buyers, according to PropTiger. Sales of residential properties in Delhi NCR jumped more than 3 times during the January to March period to Rupee 12,120 crore from Rupee 3,476 crore in the year-ago period. If you don't want to miss any update of real estate around the globe, do subscribe our channel now.